Hi guys, Rob here from Snowline. We're going to talk about the document library now. It's the replacement for what you may be familiar with, the old document library. It looked like this. So we had sections that could be global for everybody, and then any club could upload their own documents. And this is basically a replacement of this, where it ties your documents all into help. So once we get them into the library, then you'll be able to just you'll be able to search for them as well. If you look on the right, you can see that this is from National, and these are the clubs. So I'm logged into the SAS club, and so I can see SAS documents. If I was logged into a different club, I wouldn't be able to see theirs, but I would see documents that have been shared from the division or from National. So let's take a look at how we actually load a document. So the menu path to get things into the document library is Tools, Club Admin, Help Module and Document Library, and the Help Object List and Manager. And here's a list of all of my club documents, and if I click on any one of these, then I can go into the management panel and I can actually manage it. So we're going to load a new one, and the document we're going to load is Silverstar Adaptive Snow Sports Operating Procedure Manual. Okay, that's a mouthful. Let's go ahead. So let's call it. So we're going to give it a title, and we're going to give it a type, and it is a help document. Continue, and now we're going to go ahead and fill this out. So this is the key here. So anything in help can be put on the shelf of the library by clicking this and giving it a shelf. So that's it. And I'm going to give it a little description. And then I'm going to load my document. It should be said that this is what gets searched on. So when I'm searching, if I go to the search, which is up here, right there. So if I search, then whatever I type in my search box, it's going to be searching these words. So if you want your document to be found, make sure you got your keywords as part of the description. So now I'm going to go ahead and upload my document, and there it is. Pull it in, and it's done. So there's my document. It's uploaded. Now, who is eligible to see this? Because anyone that logs in has access to help and to the document library, and so we may want to control who can see it. So I got two choices. I can use the member type to hide, or I can use the security profile to show. So this is excluding, this is including. So for this procedure manual, I want my instructors to be able to see it. And of course, the club administrator is probably an instructor, but maybe not. And it should be said that if I wanted to, so this is a PDF, right? So this is a can't change document. If I wanted to store the actual Word document copy of this so that it doesn't reside with an individual, but it resides with the club documents, then I could just upload, it would be a separate help object, and I would upload the Word document itself as probably with the same title, and then I would have it restricted to only the club administrator that could see it. And that way I can store my public version, my visible PDF, as well as the source, so that in the future, if I wanted to make changes, or someone else, if I wasn't here, right? If someone else wanted to do it, then the document's stored there as well. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. If we go to our library, procedures, I might change that word. Anyway, there it is. And now we have a SAS club admin section, and that's the operating procedures. Now I noticed that I really wanted this to be instructors, not club admin. So I can go ahead and I can change that. Go back to my list, put in, find it back, operating 100, it's this guy. And I want this to be on a shelf called instructors. So do that, take a look at the library again. and now it's on the shelf called instructors. Okay, and if I wanted to search for it, I could use my search, look under operating, and there's my operating procedures, and I can take a look at the manual. Okay, so as it loads, there we go. Okay, that's really all there is to say about this. If you have any questions, of course, contact myself or Amy, and we'll be glad to help you out. Good luck.